Do you love home decor, maybe even a little DIY? Are you looking for practical, easy to follow advice and inspiration? My name is Natalie Callahan and I have over 20 years experience in real estate, interior decorating, and floral design. I have been featured on HGTV's Design Star and as a real estate, design, and lifestyle expert on local lifestyle TV shows in major TV markets. I was also a featured designer in a documentary about a whole house makeover in 10 days for a deserving family in need. One of my all-time favorite experiences. I post weekly videos sharing with you some of the skills that I've used both professionally and personally to save a ton of money while renovating and decorating homes, even adding to the equity of our homes by thousands upon thousands of dollars, and I want to be able to help you do the same. I am doing this because I'm passionate about homes. I'm passionate about DIY and decor, and I want to empower you to do it yourself because you can do this. You totally can. I want to be there to guide you and teach you some of the skills you need to create a haven, and with the added bonus of adding value and equity in your own homes. We recently bought another home and I'm in the process of getting it designed to the nines, and if you want to join me on that journey, and if you too are passionate about design and DIY, then hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications on, because I post weekly tutorials that you're not going to want to miss. I've got so many fun things planned and I would love it if you joined me on this journey. I hope to see you again soon.